Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for joining us. Pumpkin seeds are not only delicious on their own, but they're also one of the best sources of omega-6 fatty acids. If you mix them with flax seeds and toss them into a salad dressed with olive oil, you get a crunchy, well-balanced dish that brings together the full spectrum of omega acids in the most beneficial proportions for your body. Pumpkin seeds are also a secret to women's beauty and health. Studies show that the polyphenol they contain reduce sebum production, which helps prevent acne in teenagers. In women, they ease menopause symptoms, and at any age they're great for preventing reproductive health issues. When it comes to phosphorus content, pumpkin seeds actually surpass even fish. Zinc combined with omega-6 is a true elixir for your hair. And magnesium is essential for a healthy, well-functioning nervous system. Long ago, pumpkin broths and oil were used to heal wounds, and the seeds are no exception to that tradition. Thanks to their high vitamin E content, they reduce the risk of internal inflammation, especially in the liver and the digestive system overall. So go ahead and add them to smoothies, salads, or your morning porridge, sprinkle them over soups, and toss them into muffins and buns. They look gorgeous on their own, so they make a wonderful garnish too. And their sunny, delicate, slightly sweet flavor will never ruin any dish, whether it's savory or sweet. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with us.